Afor and Cara go for lunch. The bill comes to 320 Rand. They share the bill in the ratio 2 to 3. So it's exactly the same as that other question from the Form 1. We've got to break 320 Rand up into that ratio. So all you do is you add the two digits in the ratio, you get 5. How many times is 5 going to 320? 64 times. That's your magic number. Okay, so it'll be 64 times 2 and 64 times 3, which is 128 and 192. So because it's asked in like a word problem, it's asked in English, you should answer it in English. So you can say Afor spends 128 Rand and Cara spends 192 Rand. Okay, number 4. The ratio of blonde and brunette girls is 7 to 9. There are 28 blonde girls, so underneath the 7 you must put the 28. Be very careful, make sure that you keep things in the right order. Underneath this, the 7 is blonde, there are 28 blondes. Okay, so I'm looking for this number here. What do you do to 7 to make it 28? Just times by 4, hey? So times that by 4 with 36. That one was very easy. Okay guys, number 5. Blake works for 14 hours and Liam works for 6 hours. So here I put it in a ratio, Blake to Liam, 14 to 6. They decide to share their profit in the ratio of their hours worked. So that's the ratio of hours, and this is their profit. Their profit was 3,000. Okay, so we've got to break 3,000 up into that ratio. So it's exactly the same as all the others. Add the two digits in the ratio together. 14 plus 6 is 20. Divide 20 into 3,000. Goes in 150 times. So your answer will be 150 times 14 and 115 times 6. So it's 2,100 to 900. So Blake is going to get 2,100 Rand of the profit, and Liam's going to get 900. And obviously when you add those two together, you get the 3,000. Makes sense, eh? Lekker.